Hey everybody, welcome back to my home kitchen. We are celebrating a wonderful piece of citrus. This is the Big Honey's dekopon mandarin. I know that you've seen these dekopon mandarins, and we are so proud to be working with Trinity Fruit Company to help them promote their brand of dekopon, which is Big Honey's. And we're going to show you a really simple way to make a delicious salad using just a few simple ingredients. So the first ingredient, the key ingredient of this spinach salad is certainly the Big Honey's dekopon. And we'll just show you how easy it is to peel these. I always start at the bottom end here. And this is one reason why this dekopon citrus fruit is so popular, is because it just is absolutely so easy to peel. Similar to a clementine or other mandarins that have been popular in your household for years, the dekopon, such an easy peeler. And then the other thing you gotta love is they are seedless. So this is the secret ingredient. It is the flavors of the season. We're just going to segment this out and add it to some baby spinach. And one reason, dekopons are just huge in flavor, huge in size. They're very sweet. And they are, as you can see, about the size of a softball, so significantly larger than other easy peeler mandarins that are available. Okay, so you can do 1 dekopon or 2, it just depends, but citrus and spinach are a wonderful flavor combo. We'll do 1.5, and then I'll save these for my snack. You could run your knife through these if you want to cut them more. From my point of view, this is easy, this is simple, let's not overcomplicate it, right? Okay. Then the only other toppings we're going to add, we're going to use some of these Sweetheart dried pomegranate seeds. You could certainly use fresh pomegranate arrows if you want to, but I love a crunchy texture in my salads, and that's exactly what these will provide. So we'll sprinkle some of those, put them in my hand first so you can kind of see how they look. These are delicious. All of the antioxidant properties, and they're a little, they just have that chewy, crunchy texture that I love in a salad. So add those. And then we've got some blue cheese crumbles. We'll add that. I'm going to do a very simple vinaigrette, starting with some extra virgin olive oil. We will add a little balsamic vinegar, salt and pepper, and that's it. You don't need much. Like the flavors of this salad, the freshness of the dekopon, the baby spinach, the dried pomegranate seeds, you don't need to add much. And then we'll just incorporate this and drizzle it over the top. How's that for simple, healthy, fresh? Toss some of this together here. Other things that you could add to the salad, obviously fresh pomegranate would go wonderfully. If you wanted to add some protein, you could. Plant-based protein like walnuts would be great here. Get this plated up. See how beautiful it is? Don't you love when you toss a salad, all the good stuff goes to the bottom? All right. Yum, yum. Okay. This is how I like to eat. Thank you to our brand partners at Trinity Fruit. Thank you for growing the dekopon mandarin. We love the Big Honeys in my household, and I know that you will too. So look for them at the grocery store and ask for them by name.